This is emergency broadcast on October 24, 2 by 20 and 34. We interrupt your daily programming for all Memphis citizens. Emergency alert system. Mississippi River is now red. It's from and Mississippi River in Tennessee today. Thank you for your time.
Mega Gross Mini are back and grosser than ever. Mini brands made into barf-worthy jokes with rare minis. Ooh, juicy. Collect all 40 before they get flushed. 5 surprise Mega Gross Mini Series 2 from Zuru.
This is emergency broadcast. I repeat, this is emergency broadcast. On August 31st, who by 35, we interrupt your day programming. Mississippi is now red. Emergency alert system. No single. Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. Tennessee is now red. 3. Evacuation states bordering Tennessee must listen. Kentucky to Tennessee to Virginia to Missouri to Arkansas to Mississippi to Alabama to Georgia to North Carolina and Virginia. Evacuation routes now, and all the Red Lake we might head to from Kentucky River, including Kentucky, New York, Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Illinois, Wisconsin, Michigan, Hawaii, and Minnesota, and some parts of Mexico and Canada, and some of Pacific Ocean, and some of Alaska must listen to this emergency alert system. Warning! Warning! This is a Tennessee emergency alert system. On November 11, 2026.
That was so good.
By the
Thanks, Bill.
Alabama emergency alert system. Emergency room, booze, soda, pillows, and blankets. Thank you for your time. Memphis Police Department, up of Mississippi River. This is emergency alert system. Red Lake, Red Lake. Warning, warning. This is the final message for this part 3. Tennessee emergency on March 3rd, 2026. Lots of lakes.